Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Dollar Bead Box for March of 2024. And I love getting this box every month. I will leave a link below for $2 off your first order with them. My coupon code is BNJewelry2. I will leave that below as well. So you can or look at the website and order it if you like. And let's get this open. I will admit I already cheated and peeked because, you know, I'm like a kid in a candy store with beads. So it says, once again, it seems the weather has been a bit topic in the news here in Chicago, and that's where I'm originally from. So, you know, I've lived in Florida the last 19 years, I think, but I'm originally from the south suburbs of Chicago. Here in Chicago, we see extremely mild temperatures, which is both good and bad, but it does mean that we've already seen some determined little purple flowers making their way towards the sunshine in honor of those hardy plants. We've chosen purple and violet as the focal colors for the March box. Who knows what might be the colors for next month. This month's exclusive offer for our Dollar Bead Box subscribers, and check less rondelles, and then place an order. And then here's all this stuff. Let me get this undone. Okay, now this is the Dollar Bead Bag as well. I get the monthly box, and then this is an add-on for $8 for 8 strands. I mean, you can't pass this up. They're 3 and 4 millimeter fire polish beads. And look at how gorgeous they are. They have the most beautiful fire polish beads. You get that, and then, oh, look at all these fun goodies. Oh, I love these little seed beads they've been sending us. Oh, look at those. Okay. Let me put this aside. And we will get to start with this. Oh, look at these. Okay, so these are the 3 millimeter strands. Okay, so that's right. Fuchsia. I'm not really sure. Matte crystal, purple iris, or matte purple. I'm not really sure. Violet luster. I think that would be lilac. Purple iris, I think that's that. Okay. Purple opal. That's the matte lilac fuchsia, yeah. Matte silver strand, purple iris. Okay, we're gonna go with these. I'm gonna show you all 4 of these at once because I'm not really sure what's what this month. They're all gorgeous though. Look at these, how pretty these are. We have a purple opal, a purple iris, or matte purple iris, a matte silver satin, which we know is this, and then the lilac fuchsia, or matte lilac fuchsia, which I know is this one. So they're just absolutely beautiful. And then this is the matte crystal. which I know is so pretty. And then purple iris, or matte purple iris, I would say is this. I love the hues in this. Next is violet luster. It's almost got like a pinkish copper like coating on it. I don't know if it's catching in the camera, but it's like a pink copper. And then this is the lilac fuchsia, or matte lilac fuchsia. This is just the regular lilac one. We got the matte in the 3 millimeters. So these are so pretty. You can't beat this. $8 for 8 strands. They don't come any better than this. Okay, I'm going to put these away. Just to get them out of the way. Let me get everything else. Okay, so we're starting with the strands. This is the 6 by 6 millimeter Czech glass squarelet crystal Maria 35 pieces. I don't know if you can tell, the hole is on the top, so it would be, it's just up in that corner there. It's got such a pretty reflection to them. So gorgeous. Next is the 8 by 14 millimeter Czech glass melon drops, opaque white with copper wash, 9 pieces. So pretty. These would make good earrings. Next is the 3 by 5 millimeter Czech glass gem cut rondelles in violet opal, 25 pieces. Look at how sparkly these are. Gorgeous. I love dollar bead boxes, beads. They give you just enough, to create some pieces. And next is 4 millimeter Czech glass draw crystal AB, 50 pieces. Let's get the light AB. It's not a real strong AB finish, but it's just enough to give it some interesting, give it an interesting hue there. And then here we have the 4 by 8 millimeter Czech glass 2-hole crescent beads, sapphire with purple copper, or luster or crystal ginger. I think this is sapphire with purple copper. And then that's the top. See, so there's 2 holes there. I love these for making earrings and pendants. That's probably what I'm going to be making with these. And next, this is gorgeous. 4 millimeter resin miracle bead, silver, 50 pieces. I don't know if you're catching the actual color, because, when you do something on camera versus, it looks almost, I'm looking through my camera and it looks almost white, but it's not. It's gray. So maybe holding it up. Or silver, shall I say, but it's got like a grayish silver. But it's really cool color. Okay, so I have that. And then next, we have, shoot. Okay. My new saying is Shazbot. My daughter's like, Mom, you're showing your age. I'm like, be quiet. Shazbot. So this is the 6 millimeter Czech glass melons in deep violet. There's 10 pieces. Look how pretty those are. Each one's just a teeny bit different. They're gorgeous. And next is 14 millimeter Czech glass table cut flowers, crystal AB, 2 pieces. These are pretty. Oh, look at that. These make really pretty pendants too. Like if you want to make a choker necklace, like for summer, these make a really pretty pretty choker pendant. And it's just enough. It's kind of summery and like beachy. And next is 12 by 16 millimeter check glass tulips crystal with matte purple wash, 4 pieces. These are really pretty. This is them. So pretty. Okay. And next is 16 millimeter pewter toggle antique copper 1 piece. It's just a basic toggle. It's always nice to have. You can never have too many. Next is 8 by 8 millimeter check glass flat star matte rainbow iris AB 6 pieces. So let's get a few of these on. So these, there we go. Okay, so here's just a couple of them. So that it's kind of at the top. These would be pretty to use for a choker necklace and put some seed beads around it. Very pretty. Okay. And next is 10 millimeter Chinese glass laser etched round in peacock, 2 pieces. These are always such fun beads. They're so different. Look at those. Look how cool they are. Kind of remind me of like the big balloons at the circus when you're a little kid. So much fun. This will make a quick pair of earrings. Next is 7 by 10 millimeter check glass tulips lavender opal pink wash. 10 pieces. Look at these. These are pretty. Just grabbing a couple. So look how cute they are. So pretty. That pink wash really stands out. It's like a metallic pink. So it just really stands out. And next is 10 millimeter pewter, can't talk today, spiral charms antique copper for quantity 4. I like these for dangles. You can use these as little charms, like, you know, when you have the top of a necklace, you can put a little chain, a copper chain if it's a copper necklace, and attach this as a little charm on the end for a little bit of interest. Or these you could get an eye pin and then put this at the bottom of the eye pin for a little dangle and an earring, which just makes your jewelry look more finished. Next is 9 by 17 millimeter check glass carrier matte crystal. Wait a minute. This is the daisy. This carrier. I don't think I got that. Okay, well, this is the 18 millimeter check glass daisy rainbow violet 1 piece. Let's find the, and this is the whole. Again, another gorgeous little pendant charm for a choker necklace for beachy theme. So pretty. I don't think I got, oh, no, I did. Hold on 1 second. Duh. I moved this to the side. Okay, here we go. 9 by 17 millimeter check glass carriers matte crystal, 2 pieces. Ugh. I'd say it's been a long day, but it's only 1 o'clock. So here's these two. I like to use these a lot if I'm doing like lariats or a necklace and using these as a focal piece in the front. Like if you're bringing the necklace around and it's coming down, you can attach the few and then have some dangles coming. I like using that for those. So that's fun. And then this is gorgeous. 18 millimeter vintage style check glass heart opaque white rainbow iris, one piece. Look at that. I don't know if you're getting the, trying to do it from different angles. There's definitely like, yeah, okay, maybe that's showing a little better. So pretty. Love this box. And then last but not least, 12-0 check glass seed beads and violet rainbow iris, one tube, approximately 5 grams. I'm not going to open this because you can see through that. So this was a really fun box to unbox. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, so if you are interested, then use my code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. Like I said, I will leave a link below. I will also leave a link to all of my social media and my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry that I make on here. If you're interested, you can go check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned for a tutorial or two from this box. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.